In most organizations, the percentage of documents that are printed is on the decline. There are many documents that are widely read but almost never printed. For example, email messages, web pages, all the things created for Amazon Kindle or other ebook readers. Beginning 8 years ago with Word 2002, Microsoft started redesigning Word to make it easier to create documents that would be easy to publish, web-ready documents that make use of styles and style sets. In Word 2007, a style set included 3 elements: a set of 2 fonts, colors, and effects that would be applied only to objects, would never be applied to text. The expanded style set in Word 2010 includes paragraph spacing and also supports the new text effects. First, let's have a quick review of how style sets work, because many users haven't figured out yet how they should use style sets in order to be more efficient in Word 2007 or 2010. If we select a document and we want to reuse the text in this document or reformat it to meet a new style, all we need to do is change the entire style set. Every document has a style set by default. If I choose, for example, distinctive, the entire document was just reformatted. Colors were changed, fonts were swapped out, paragraph spacing was changed, all by simply making one change from the default style set to this distinctive style set. The same with elegant, for example, or manuscript. All of these style sets are different and give you radically different documents. The ability to just change a document to make it look different isn't as exciting as the ability to create a style set and save it so that you can reuse that style set over and over again and have the documents in your office have a consistent look. Each document looks the same, or every document for a particular client or project looks the same because they share a style set. So here's what's new. First, you'll notice that this text has a text effect applied, or half reflection tight text effect. We can save this as part of a style set. As I changed the style sets, you'll notice that we had a reflection on this text all along, but I'm going to select this text and I'm going to say, any place I have that text, it's a heading 1, and I'm going to update heading 1 to match this selection. So if I insert new text as a new heading and apply the heading 1 style, it will apply not only the color and the font size, but it will also apply that text effect, that reflection that I chose. If I apply another text effect to this text, for example, a glow, and I update my heading 1 to match this style, notice that my new heading is also automatically updated. So I can save text effects as part of a style set or as part of an individual style. The other new attribute of a style set is my paragraph spacing. In Word 2007, I had to adjust paragraphs individually and assign that to a style. So for example, if I have a paragraph of text, I could say I'd like a no spacing style and it will tighten it up. But there was no spacing style that addressed the needs of layout for the entire document. In Word 2010, I have paragraph spacing sets that I can apply. So if I choose paragraph spacing, notice that there are 6 choices here. No paragraph space at all. Let's choose that and watch as the entire document gets reformatted to no paragraph space. Then there's a paragraph spacing set that's called compact that has single spacing and then adds 4 points of spacing between paragraphs. Tight, which adds just slightly more room between paragraphs, but also increases the line spacing from 1 to 1.5, which is the new default for Microsoft Word. Open, and note that each of these is taking up more space for the entire document. Relaxed, which is 1.5 line spacing and 6 points after each paragraph. You can read those as you point to it because there's a screen tip. And then finally double for double spacing, which when you have 1.15 or 1.5 double spacing is very, very large. It takes up a lot of space in a document. So let's say that I wanted to tighten up this document some. It's currently relaxed. It's going to take up a fair amount of space, and it's more space than I want. So if I were to switch to open, that simple change right here makes my document tighter and in some ways easier to read because there was so much space in it that the reader's eye could get lost between one line and the next. So this is a nice piece of spacing right here. I'm going to now save this style set. This style set has all kinds of elements in it. It has the paragraph spacing that I chose. It has the fonts which I didn't change and the colors which I didn't change. And this entire style set then, including my text effect that I'm going to apply to heading 1s, I'll save all together at one time. Choose Change Styles, Style Set, and at the bottom of the list, I'm going to save all of the elements that you see as a single quick style set. This will be saved in my templates so that I can apply this to any document that I open in the future. And I'm going to call this Glow. So if I were to create a new document now, and I wanted to apply this style, I'll find that style listed right here in the center and can easily apply it. In the meantime, I can simply return to another style set if I wish and change almost all of those elements. If you use styles and style sets to format your Word document, you can quickly and easily reformat text for any other use. Or you can take documents that you created 2 or 3 years ago, restyle them, and quickly reformat them to look more contemporary. The expanded style set capabilities in Word 2010 make it even easier to quickly reuse paragraphs, sections, or entire documents.